welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. And the madness goes on. Another set of pictures from the upcoming GoPro Hero 8 Black is available online. This time even more details of the camera are visible. You can see the camera from all sides now. The only part that is not shown is the interior of the battery compartment. As stated on my last video, there will be no interchangeable lens cover, which I see as a bad thing. The camera will not have the battery compartment on the bottom but on the right side, if you are looking at the camera from the back. On the bottom there is the next interesting thing, a retractable GoPro mount, which was also present on the photos of the GoPro Max. With this mount the frame will no longer be needed to attach the camera to accessories and you can put it away when not in use. Along with the photos of the camera there were also pictures of a battery. After comparing it, I can tell that it is the exact same battery as in the Hero 7, only with the model SPJV1B engraved. It would be nice if despite of the design changes on the camera the battery would still the same, but I am not sure if it will be like that. Finally, also a supposed manual of the Hero 8 was published, which led everybody to assume that the video capabilities would be the same as in the GoPro Hero 7. In my opinion, that is just the manual of the Hero 7 very poorly changed to look like a Hero 8 manual. I also don't believe that the Hero 8 will be capable of 4K at 120 frames per second as previously leaked, simply because I don't think it would be able to manage the heat generation. Another thing that makes me skeptic is what kind of memory card would be needed to store that. If the camera comes with more processing power, which is also not 100% secure, I would bet it will be used for something like HDR video, but with stabilization. What about you? Share your thoughts on the next GoPro Hero 8 on the comments.